Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, we invite you to look throughout our playlists, as we have over 340 videos at this moment that are organized in playlists, and they will provide you some really useful, fun and entertaining videos for your viewing pleasure, right? If you've been here before and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is really important to us and we do appreciate it. If today is your birthday, we want to extend you a very happy birthday. Today is Wednesday. It is January 30th, I believe. What is the date?
I don't know. Something like that.
I like that. Something like that. It's January 30th, and as those of you that follow us know, we live in the Midwest, and we are in the midst of what they call one of the worst cold snaps or cold area masses in record, and they advise us to stay inside. So who are we to disagree with the government? We are staying inside. Why are you laughing?
Who are we to disagree with the government?
Right. I mean, you know. You guys, she doesn't let me film here, but she's hilarious. I wish she would let me film here.
Well, they can hear me, you know.
I know they can hear you, but they cannot see you.
So I'm only hilarious if you can see me?
Yes, that's how it works. Hilarity is a visual thing.
Right.
Right. So
That's why DJs work, right?
DJs are worthless. They play other people's work.
Some of them.
I'm not big on DJing, in case it wasn't
What about
obvious.
podcasts?
What about podcasts?
There's some funny podcasts where...
Yeah, but they do their own work. They don't copy other people's work, you know?
Right. That's what I'm saying, though. You hear them.
Yeah, but
So your point is not.
my point is, but let's not digress anymore.
Too late.
So today is Wednesday, and we're going to provide another first look video, so stick around and see what we're going to do for you. First, I would like to clear some misconceptions in our first look videos based on comments I have received. When we do a first look video, it is by no means a review. And I've seen comments like, well, read the manual first. No, the idea behind the first look video is to take the raw product as we receive it and give you our first impressions. It is not a how to use video, and it is not a review of the product. We will do those reviews later, right, Elvira? Mm-hmm. But in these first look videos, we just give you our first impressions. So when people leave comments and say, well, you didn't demonstrate it, no, it is not. This is not intended to be a demonstration. This is intended to say, okay, this is what we got. And today we did got another mystery box from Rockler. We did got. we did get, funny woman. Well, actually, the box is not mystery. It was a mystery when it arrived because it was brown, and we don't know. Yeah. We don't know. We apparently have a mystery box sender, right? And this is what looks to be a nice glue bottle applicator kit with a lot of attachments. Can you see all the attachments? Mm-hmm. And it would have again been very nice if we received it when we were working with a table, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And we didn't.
Right.
But I see some intriguing things in the pictures. Let me turn it around. I don't know if that's... Oh, it's the same picture, isn't it? Minus nothing.
It's just nice. There's the bottle, the funnel for filling it. There's several different types of applicators. So it looks like it could be pretty good. So.
And you see, I didn't even... Sharp objects. This is a safety video, ladies and gentlemen. Do not use sharp objects towards you. Only use them away from you. Because if you use them towards you, you can cut yourself. That was my safety tip for the week. Probably the year.
Excellent.
So...
One of these days we'll have to demonstrate a
X-Acto knife?
Yes.
Yes, we will. And here how it comes. And again, this is an off-fill box. This is not an Apple product, right? But it is nicely containing what we need, and I don't know what that is. Do you remember?
It said,
A funnel? Oh, so you can put the glue in the bottle.
yes.
I see, that makes sense.
Without hopefully making a mess.
Now you're asking for too much.
Yeah.
Oh, and that has a little cleaner. I didn't see that in the picture. So you can clean the nozzle. And this is the one that I'm very excited about because we do a lot of glue ups of wide pieces. Mm-hmm. And we have tried the, what do you call it, the pasting brushes. Mm-hmm. And the advantage of those is that they clean very easily, but we never had really good luck with them, right?
No,
I don't
so
know.
far it seems like most of the glue goes into the silicone brush, not so much on the actual project. So it kind of defeats the purpose.
So this seems to be very interesting to me. Now, this is very intriguing because now that we have the, what is called a bead lock, that would be nice into the groove that we'll make, right?
Hold it still. Yeah.
And these are designed, it comes with a bottle, but my understanding is that you can actually use the standard bottles that come and just take the original tip and attach this, right? So this is very intriguing to me. I really like that. And again, you just put the tip that you want on the bottle that comes with it or in the bottle that you have. And this again, and I didn't read the manual, but again, I know how to use it. This is so you can transfer the glue from your big container to this little container.
Like that you said it screws on and...
Yeah, I mean, it's like it doesn't go anywhere. And it won't leak out of it, right?
That's nice.
So everything seems to be fitting very nicely. I mean, I have to say, right? I mean, no difficulty at all.
Yeah.
And are you excited about this? I really am excited about this. And this is solid, by the way. It is not hard, it's soft plastic, if you want to touch it.
So it's a soft rubberish type.
Yeah. When we were...
Put the grooves in there and see if that's...
When we were looking initially, Alpita was really excited for this because when we join boards, if you can put a nice steady bead in the middle of the board, and that's what this is designed to do, right?
Hold on a second. I was just trying to show them the grooves in your camera, and I are fighting. Okay, next.
I was saying you were excited about this,
Yeah.
and I'm not going to even make a joke about it.
That's good.
So, because we do a lot of glue ups on edges of boards, and this will allow us to put a nice single edge, correct?
So,
Wait,
give it to me.
no, I'm not giving it to you, I'm holding it. And it goes on top of any tip. I mean, you can go over this tip or this tip and keep it nice and centered.
So essentially, these two bits go on either side of the board to help you keep
Right.
it centered, and then the bead of glue goes on the center of the board.
Here, I don't have a board, but I have a box. So if we pretend this is a board, it isn't. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then it puts a nice bead in the middle, and when you put the boards together, the glue will hopefully just spread and you will not have as much squeeze out. And I had to remember what the heck I wanted to say. Now this looks very much like the brushes we use. The difference is that the glue comes from inside it. I don't know if you can see it in camera. It has an opening. And again, it goes in the same, either in your bottle or a bottle you already have, a standard bottle. And the last thing that comes with it is a cleaning doohickey. That's the technical term.
Doohickey?
Doohickey. I don't know. And
It's a brush. It's like a bottle brush type thing.
this is such a complicated set of tools that, guys, there is no instruction manual. So for those of you that really like instruction manuals, this is a big negative, right? Using a little common sense, however, should allow you to use this kit without much difficulty. I must say, it is all plastic, right? I mean, but
Yeah.
I don't think that's a negative.
I don't either. I think that would be good for ease of cleanup, and there shouldn't be any.
Absolutely, yeah. But they seem to be very well made. This I've not seen before, and I really like it. This will definitely... I have a feeling that in our future we're going to have some joining product with a bead lock. Bead lock. What is a bead lock? I don't know. It's a nice...
It's a new made-up thing.
You haven't seen it yet. It will be in our next first look. We'll make it up. So Now, we're not always going to make first look videos on Wednesdays. We're going to also do automotive videos and other type of videos, but this winter so far has thrown us for a loop. Would you agree, Elpida?
It's been a lot colder than we expected, a lot.
We have planned to do a lot of things, and in all fairness, our 60,000 BTU propane heater does a really good job.
Oh yeah.
Probably a little better than we wanted because we end up turning it off sometimes.
Well, and actually the last time we used it, we were going in and out of the garage into the house, and the garage was actually warmer than the house was.
Even though the house was warm, I mean, we didn't have the house
was a
warm.
nice temperature. It's just the garage had heated up so nicely, it was significantly warmer than the house.
So maybe we need to do a year after review of that product because we bought it a year ago, right?
Something like that.
So we'll probably, if you're interested, look at that and we'll tell you what we like and what we don't like. But you will also see us using that. In all our first look products, we are going to show you our first use as well. Does it make sense?
Yeah, just not in the first look video.
Right, but not in the first look video. This is just intended to show you for the first time this. And I wonder, this we might use for other things too, you know, because I like how it is shaped, and this really is fun.
What else would you use it for?
To fill other bottles with other liquids, you know.
Okay.
Like, I think most bottles have this. This is a standard size. I want to see, for example, if it fits in the containers that will mix the coolant for my car.
Okay.
I have a very special car. I need to rename it the Diva.
Yeah, it's special, all right.
Because everything that car uses is special and cannot even use standard coolant, right? It has to use a specialized coolant, and we mix it because we buy it concentrated, and if it fits on the bottles we have, that would be an awesome way to mix it, don't you think?
Sure.
Without making a big mess. Not that we ever make a mess. I mean, we are perfectly well behaved in our products, and never we have had anything go wrong with any of them, right?
Right.
So this concludes. I mean, this is a very simple kit. My first impression, again, this is not a review, but my first impression is favorable, right?
Yes.
By opening, I'm really looking forward to use this one. I'll be honest with you. Which one are you looking forward to use?
The prong one.
The prong one. Okay. So we both have our preferences, and I think the prong one works with this as well, doesn't it? Maybe not. Maybe they need to have a manual. No, it doesn't work with this. But it doesn't really have a need. You have an opening that this goes in, right? Mm-hmm. So we both have different things we want to try. The most two exciting things is this and this for me. I don't know, this is also exciting as well, right? It's almost like playing chess. Checkmate. No. I'm moving my queen, you know. So we're being silly. The weather has kept us inside, and I think we're going a little bit still crazy. But you go outside, and right now they say that frostbite can occur in under 2 minutes. And unless this is something that you're into it's a good idea not to go out, right? Mm-hmm. We do have 2 crazy dogs though. The first one has no real undercoat, so he wants to do business and get back in. And the other is I don't know, maybe she came from Alaska. But see, the colder it is, the more she wants to stay outside and play, right?
Well, not necessarily play, but she's just oblivious to anything except, wandering around and smelling and investigating.
So we're freezing our you-know-whats, and she just wants to look around. So this concludes our little rambling and first look at the Rockler bottle glue applicator kit. Actually, it's the glue bottle applicator kit. We have to name it correctly. And we will review it, and we're going to tell you how. So thank you for watching. If you reach this point of the video, we appreciate you sticking with us. And of course, we're going to have some fun build product for the weekend, and hopefully we're not going to freeze ourselves trying to figure out how to execute it. But again, the garage is fine, right? When we heat it.
As long as we have propane, yeah.
Well, there are stores for that.
But you have to go out to get the propane.
That is the catch, right?
There's a flaw in your logic there.
You have to go out and buy the propane, but I think we have enough propane for the project.
I don't know. We used it quite a bit last time, but we'll see.
In any case, thank you for watching from the Garage Wizard, Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel. Okay, I realized I was leaning there. We bid you a great week, and we're going to see you Sunday with another build. Take care.